Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best car vacuum cleaners 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. CENRR High Suction Car Vacuum Cleaner, Cordless, powerful car vacuum cleaner with high suction capabilities. Designed for both car and home cleaning, it offers portability and efficient dust and debris removal in tight spaces. Ideal for quick and thorough cleanups. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Baseus Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner, compact and powerful handheld vacuum for cars, home, and PC. Wireless design ensures portability and easy handling, while 16,000 Pascal suction power tackles dust and crumbs in seconds, making it suitable for versatile cleaning. Number 3. CENRR Powerful Vacuum Cleaner, Cordless and Mini. This high-suction vacuum cleaner is ideal for car interiors and home cleaning. Portable and user-friendly, it's suitable for efficient dust and debris pickup in various spaces, delivering strong cleaning power. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner for Pet Hair, a versatile vacuum cleaner with a motorized roller brush and LED light, designed for easy pet hair removal. The cordless design makes it ideal for auto, home, and pet care, delivering effective and convenient cleaning performance. Number 1. SZUK Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner. This handheld, wireless vacuum cleaner offers 180,000 Pascal suction power for efficient car cleaning. Compact and portable, it's designed for powerful and easy cleanup, ideal for car interiors and home use. Thanks for watching.